Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can apply for the certificate of citizenship in USA. Before I proceed further, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe right now. And also, I would like to clarify, neither I'm an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. All right, guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you, I have opened US Citizenship and Immigration Services, USCIS site. Here, I have taken it to N-600 application for certificate of citizenship. You can see the filing fee also. So if you go for fee calculator, you can go for sorry about that, and 600. The general filing is this much, and this is in US dollars. Okay, for online, same. Even paper is higher, yeah, $50 more. Okay, so it's always good to apply online, no doubt. I'm going to apply online. So the very first thing, if you don't have an account, you're going to create an account. You're going to put your email address. So I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to see you guys. So guys, what happens is, first of all, it sends a link to your email account where you need to click. Then it asks you to create the password, and then it asks you like in order to enable dual authentication method, which way you would like to go. You want to go for getting a code on mobile and other options. So I selected email, so it went through. And then it also asks you to set up 5 security questions so that when you log in, like in case you need to contact the help desk, you can go through that. So we'll go to USCIC, select an account type. I'm an individual account. I'm part of a, I'm selecting this. Submit. Okay, and so here, file a form online, upload evidence and pay and submit. Change your address, reschedule biometric, verify your identity. Okay, so if you want to file a form online, you're going to click here. And you need to select which one you want to submit. Okay, petition for alien relative, travel document, whatever is your case. Let's say I'm just going to sample. Of course, I won't not this thing. And click on start. Citizenship. Before you start eligibility, you are requesting to okay eligibility of fee. So fee we have seen documents, passport photo, birth certificate, US citizen, parents, proof of citizenship, biometric. After you submit, you need to track your case online, respond to the request, attend your interview, receive your decision. Completing the form online. Okay, yeah, it's always good. If you don't want to play one more time, we will delete your data and provide some information indifferently. Yeah, okay, good. So what are the questions they ask? Basis of eligibility. I am a biological child of a US parent citizen. Have you previously applied for US passport? Are you a member of veteran or any branch of US armed forces? Then about you. What's your current legal name? Contact information. How to contact you? Mobile, email, mailing address. Okay, describe yourself. Ethnicity, race, height, weight, color of eyes, hair, other information. What is your A number? Okay. Your family, parents, where your parents married to each other when you were born, adopted. Parents marry after you were born. Your citizen father information and father's marital status. Wow. Same thing for mother. Okay, mother information, immigration information, and matter information, your request, current status, current immigration status, request for certificate, have you been absent since you first arrived, evidence, photo, birth certificate, use parent birth certificate record, proof of your parents, proof of your citizenship, your proof of your citizenship. You can click on each of them and see what data are looking for. Okay. Secondary evidence, baptism certificate, school record, census affidavits, additional information. And once you are through all of that, you can just submit review and submit. And then you're going to pay the fee we already saw at the beginning. So in this way, you can apply for it. So that is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. I mean, after this, they're going to process biometric interview and other things they want. And then if all good, you should get it. So that's how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.